Hey guys, Ethan from ISCS here. Just showing you guys we got 3 doors going out for shipment today. Just got them crated up and packaged. We do a very thorough job packing these things, make sure they show up unscathed and unharmed for you guys. And 3 very happy and excited customers here. So if you guys are interested in our modular bolt-on doors, or you want to carry them, or you want to purchase one, you can call me at 812-202-5540, or you can email me at ethan@fortitudedesign.io. That's FORTITUDEDESIGN.io. Have a great day.